Hello Capricorn, welcome to my channel. This is Teresa sending you a warm greeting. I'm here, ready and prepared for this new reading. Scorpio, the energy you carry is absolutely astounding. It will amaze you, not only with what you can achieve, but also with the events that are about to unfold. There will be signs and a powerful, life-changing moment ahead. Please stay with me for this reading. Now let's dive into this general reading. If any of the messages don't resonate with you, let them flow and move on. Thank you for your comments. Don't forget to leave your thoughts below. And remember to check your rising sign as well. Let's go, Capricorn. Let's channel this divine energy and see what's in store for you. Look at the divine energy, the sun. The sun, one of the brightest cards, the luminous card par excellence. You have a great mission, Capricorn. You illuminate others. You bring hope, faith, and energy to people. You are a beacon for others. Even if you don't believe it, you truly are a beacon for others. When I say others, I mean the people close to you, right? So this stirs up envy, and it may cause some people to set you aside. Everything that will happen, your future is unmatched. Your project? Clearly. But why is all this happening? What happened? What happened, Capricorn, is that you experienced a kind of death. You went through something very, very painful in your life, and from that moment you had two paths to choose from. Either let yourself sink, or truly transform yourself into a demigod. And that is exactly what you are doing, Capricorn. You are transforming into a demigod, or perhaps a god. Not a boastful or arrogant god, but truly, it's as though you have been given an extraordinary opportunity, extraordinary prospects for personal growth. At an economic level, there could be a great project or job opportunity that is either already underway or has yet to begin. Well, you will triumph without a doubt from start to finish. So take this reading, hold on to it and keep it, so it gives you reasons to keep going, okay? So you don't lose heart. So you maintain your faith and hope, because this is your energy, Capricorn. I love giving you this beautiful message because you will finally trust yourself. But some of you still don't fully trust yourselves yet. You will realize everything you are capable of. Everything you are capable of. And you will see the results of your sacrifices materialize as well. I see a great project, something unprecedented, something where you will stand out so much, because you will dare to be different. You know you are different from others. But sometimes you feel like you want, well, when animals camouflage themselves trying to blend in with the average, you cannot blend in with the average. You are energetically superior because you have a great mission, and that mission is to illuminate others. You illuminate others and your surroundings as well. Everything you touch lights up. I love it, really. I really like your project as well. I mean, big things. It has to be big things, really. Go for everything with your talent, too. Well, as I told you, you are transforming because of very great pain you experienced. This pain could have happened a long time ago, too. This pain could have happened maybe years ago. Not now. But what happened? You were preparing yourself internally, spiritually. And the sun tells you that it will happen for you. That it will happen. Don't worry. Here is Capricorn mastering the material world. Everything you perceive, you will conquer. I love this profound transformation. It could also be that you are illuminating someone on a romantic level, okay? And there is someone on a romantic level who needs confirmation, and they will get it, not from you. You don't have to do anything, okay? I mean, you illuminate. You are a beacon. You just need to illuminate, nothing more. Why do you illuminate? Because you are illuminating yourself. When I talk about spirituality, when I talk about working on oneself, it means, of course, raising your vibration. With joy, there will be much joy, really. There will be much joy with your children, with your family. Something will happen that will bring you much joy. There is a divine gift here, a divine gift, and this will be a stunning revelation, really. It will leave you speechless. You are very capable, Capricorn. You are very capable and also persistent. So that's a double strength. You are capable and also constant. And, well, that will yield results, okay? As I told you, projects or whatever it may be. But a gift will also come to you. A gift you have been waiting for. Materially. It is also possible for some of you who have been waiting for something. Much light for Capricorn, and moreover, all that light will attract envy, okay? There will be envy from everyone, especially for those who work in employment relationships. It is possible that you will stand out so much that, well, there will also be jealousy. But there is something transformative you will do, I am sure of that. You will do something transformative that changes your life. Completely. Yes. Yes. And this will be sudden, economically, in everything. Because of course, when you work with energy, you achieve everything together. Because when you shine, and you will shine, I see you as if you were an influencer or someone important, okay? On a material level, on a creative level, there is also much creativity. You have tools and elements to stand out, okay? Well, you shine and you will shine, but you have to keep illuminating others. Someone seeks confirmation, or rather will seek confirmation to get closer to you. But I feel it is someone rather dark. Listen to this. You shine so much that others feel somewhat intimidated, even if it seems incredible. They feel intimidated by you. That's why the faces. That's why some people look at you strangely. Well, that's related. But on a romantic level, I feel that someone has also experienced a loss, something they've lost. And now, with you, they will find illumination. They will find illumination with you. Don't rush. Take it slow. Take it slow. Because things will settle gradually. But I already tell you that your future is unmatched. I love it, Capricorn. And also, you will take advantage of many material things, and you will take advantage of this light, okay? Because people will smile at you. And let me tell you something. You look very radiant, both physically and spiritually. I mean, people, the energy, people will perceive it too. There is a beauty that doesn't come from the physical, but from within. You radiate light. And that light corresponds to your vibration. And people see you as radiant, as important. They see you as someone who conquers everything. But why? Because you have first conquered yourself. That is the most important thing. First, you have conquered yourself. Once you conquer yourself, that's it. You conquer everything. Understand? Because this has a lot to do with self-esteem. A lot to do with self-esteem. If your self-esteem is low, well, it's because you're not quite there yet, but it's coming. Your self-esteem will be extremely high. When I say high self-esteem, it doesn't mean something negative. It has nothing to do with selfishness. It means you know who you are. It means you love yourself, that you know perfectly who you are, that you love yourself. That's what matters, okay? I love it, Capricorn. Well, you've already been through the worst. The death has passed. It's over. It's over. Well, much light. There are children here. I don't know. Some of you will have children, or the children you have, something beautiful will happen with them, too. Something beautiful. Well, that's it. A moment of much light for this year for Capricorn. Much light. Much light will change your life suddenly, and this light is what you are attracting. What you are attracting. Love, let's see what happens with Capricorn. Let's continue. Well, Capricorn, yes. Well, listen carefully. There is someone here. Yes, there is someone here. You are clever, Capricorn. You have your cleverness, and therefore you can use this cleverness in your work, in love, in everything, okay? There's a certain craftiness you can use. This doesn't mean you deceive others, no, but rather that you can make use of it. I mean, you have certain gifts, certain interesting qualities, Capricorn, that you need to use with your personality, okay? To attract more of those things into your life, okay? Because I see that there is a love that is there. It's there. I feel it's someone, you see? We have a love that is hidden, that is hiding. But it may be that some of you are seeing it. For example, some don't see this love, others do see it, but it has no contact with you. I feel that someone passes by you, but there's no real connection, no contact, nothing at all. Someone wants to give you this signal. I feel someone is afraid, Someone is afraid of giving you some sort of signal. For example, men. Let's suppose some men are listening, men or women, let's say everyone, men and women who are listening, okay? It's possible that someone wants to give you a signal, but still, they're afraid you'll notice it and realize it's too obvious. They fear that it will be too obvious. So, it's as if they want to give you some kind of signal. Let's see. It might be that some Capricorns give some type of very minimal signal too, but it has to be something very minimal. Nothing like calling attention to yourself. It has to be all very casual. Nothing more. It has to be casual. Because someone wants to give you the signal. And I see someone who is hiding. That's why I say they are hiding. It's someone quite spiritual as well. It's someone who has also gone through a lot of suffering. I feel they endured much pain in their childhood, for example. And now they carry a powerful spiritual energy, like a priestess or priest. They seem cold. They also seem cold. It's someone who handles the spiritual world very well. They manage it very well, but they want to give you a signal, and it could be that you also want to give them some kind of signal. You will have it, huh? You will have it, but I already tell you that you have to take advantage of it. You are clever. There's an intelligence in Capricorn that you must use in all aspects of your life. So, well, I love it, huh? When I saw the first card, the sun, wow, you illuminate everyone. People want to be close to you. Capricorn wants to be close to you. That's what's happening. Look how beautiful. We have the 10 of Cups, the Ace of Pentacles. Yes, listen carefully. You need to keep going with what you're doing. Don't give up. It's possible that some of you are working on a project or something that feels like it requires a lot of effort, that seems difficult, that feels like it will never ever work out, but this will bring you a lot of happiness too. Yes, a lot of happiness it will bring you, and it will open new doors. You always need to look for new doors, Capricorn. Economically, hook, I told you about cleverness, your gifts. You need to open new doors. It's possible you will learn something, for example, and that something you learn will also bring you money. Something that excites you as well. Something that attracts attention from people. A lot of happiness. It will come to fruition, huh? The celebration will come. The celebration. There is something about your project today, Capricorn, or your job. New doors are about to open for you. New doors will open. I also see new friendships or new people you will meet. New friendships or new people. Why not a new love? That depends on each Capricorn. Each Capricorn will decide what to do. But it's at the doors, huh? You need to go after them. You need to knock on those doors. Yes, you need to learn things. There is a love that will learn a lot from you. There is a love that will also learn a lot from you. Here is the celebration. You will celebrate love, a beautiful love. This will leave behind any doubts, huh? You will receive a sign. You will receive a sign from someone here, yes? Let's continue, Capricorn. I like it. Well, yes. For a long time, Capricorns felt stuck, as if their world wasn't moving. Well, that's what you're changing. That's what you're changing and what you want to change. You want your world to move more, for things to happen faster too. And here's what's going to happen, Capricorn. You're freeing yourself, letting go of everything that's been holding you back. You also felt fears, hidden things. And now, with this reading, please save it or listen to it again, as I feel it's important for you, Capricorn. And don't move. The best part is still coming, because it will be given to you. It will be given to you. I also feel that you will be freeing yourself from many things, from many internal pressures. You won't care about anything anymore. You won't care what others think. That will be the big change. I mean, your faith will be so strong that you won't care what others think. It should never, ever matter to you. You are you. And people will accept you with that light, as I said at the beginning. But of course, some will be jealous. Jealous. Yes, someone is jealous of you here, It's related to love as well. Yes, Capricorn, you are waking up. Feel Capricorn is awakening. It's awakening. That's what's happening. Last cards for Capricorn. Let's see, Capricorn. Well, let's place the cards. Well, listen, Capricorn, yes. You have a very special love. A very special love. You have to choose who will enter your life. It's not up to the other person to decide. It's up to you. You have to choose. You will decide who enters your life, because many things in the past hurt you deeply. In love, a lot of harm. And that did a lot of damage to you. You stopped trusting yourself. But now, I feel there's someone here, someone special, who is slowly awakening with you. Someone will need confirmation. But, Capricorn, you have to use your cleverness too, Everyone knows how to use it. Capricorn, I really enjoyed the reading. I hope you liked it, and please subscribe to the channel. That way, in the coming days, we'll be in touch. Thank you very much.